XRP Ripple, the elusive yet valuable cryptocurrency, has at long last been found by us. There is only one explanation for this, and that is the conclusion of the legal dispute that was brought against the Securities and Exchange Commission. According to projections made by significant experts, it is extremely likely that it will increase by 60,000% very soon. Are you able to picture it? If you watch this film, you will only see facts that speak for themselves, despite the fact that a lot of people are talking about this topic. You simply cannot afford to pass up such a chance that could completely transform your life. In the absence of any further ado, let us proceed directly to the point. I hereby defer. Within the realm of digital currency, the current litigation between XRP Ripple and the Securities and Exchange Commission is one of the rare legal battles that has lasted for as long as it has thus far. The potential expansion of XRP Ripple has been hampered by this courtroom drama for more than 4 years, which has been a challenging experience. However, it is remarkable that it has managed to maintain its position as a consistent challenger among the top 10 cryptocurrencies. It has been demonstrated that XRP Ripple is robust, as it has managed to preserve its position in the constantly evolving environment of digital assets, despite the weight of litigation. In a recent tweet, Gary Gensler, the chair of the Securities and Exchange Commission, wrote, "I despise losing. It was really difficult for me to lose the XRP case to Ripple. However, XRP is not a security, the only cryptographic system to be so designated. It is something that Bitcoin does not even possess." This attitude is shared by a significant number of individuals inside the Bitcoin community who have been following the court procedures with a great deal of anticipation. Now that the case has reached its peak, XRP Ripple is ready to break free from the shackles of uncertainty and chart its own destiny in the digital arena. Furthermore, it is on the cusp of potentially tremendous expansion. In point of fact, the legal certainty that surrounds XRP Ripple represents a significant milestone in the cryptocurrency market. As a result of Judge Torres' decision that XRP is not a security, a precedent has been established that differentiates it from other digital assets that are now experiencing regulatory ambiguity. There is a possibility that this clarity will entice additional investors and institutions that are looking for a more secure environment within the cryptocurrency industry. Cryptocurrency, the most recent tweet that Barbie sent out about Ethereum raises issues about the regulatory structure that will be in place for other cryptocurrencies in the future. In the event that Ethereum were to be granted the status of a security, it would likely result in heightened scrutiny and uncertainty throughout the entirety of the cryptocurrency industry. The legal triumph that XRP Ripple has achieved, on the other hand, promotes it as a more stable and compliant choice for consumers and investors. The newly discovered clarity in the law has the potential to stimulate enormous growth for XRP Ripple. It is possible that the removal of regulatory overhang and the confirmation of its position as a non-security could result in higher investor confidence and increasing adoption by institutions. As a consequence of this, there is a possibility that there will be an increase in demand for XRP Ripple, which might result in an increase in its price in the months and years to come. There is no doubt that we will discuss the forthcoming increase in the cost of XRP Ripple cryptocurrency. Believe me when I say that it will come as a complete and utter surprise to you, since we anticipate a 60,000% growth. First things first, however, we have to figure out everything. A growing mistrust of the regulatory position taken by the SEC is an attitude that is prevalent within the cryptocurrency community, and the tweet from Ash Crypto aptly depicts this sentiment. The Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) is experiencing substantial issues associated with its reputation as a result of recent losses against Ripple and Grayscale, ongoing legal battles, and uncertainties. As a result of a series of losses against important actors in the cryptocurrency industry, the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) has seen a wider pattern of regulatory setbacks. Not only do these setbacks undermine trust in the agency's capacity to successfully enforce regulations, but they also bring to light the complications that are associated with the classification of digital assets. The cryptocurrency market is going to be profoundly affected by Ripple's imminent triumph in its legal lawsuit against the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC). The resolution of this legal struggle, which has been going on for the longest amount of time in the industry, will not only establish a significant precedent for XRP Ripple, but it will also have a significant impact on the regulatory landscape as a whole. In high-profile instances such as Ripple's, the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) has been unable to win favorable conclusions, which highlights the ever-changing nature of cryptocurrency legislation. It recommends that regulatory bodies would need to reevaluate their strategy and engage with industry stakeholders in a more proactive manner in order to produce rules that are more transparent because of this. It is possible that investor mood will undergo a substantial shift as XRP Ripple moves closer to achieving victory in its forthcoming legal battle. It is possible that a positive verdict might restore confidence in XRP Ripple and as was noted earlier, this could be a catalyst for renewed confidence. The potential to cause an increase in demand, which would result in a bullish trend in the price trajectory of the asset. To make matters even more bizarre, Lord Vendetta's tweet highlights the fierce competition that exists within the cryptocurrency market, as well as the smart measures that various assets are employing in order to secure top positions. In order to underscore the unrelenting pursuit of dominance among cryptocurrencies, Lord Vendetta draws attention to the historical significance of XRP as the second largest asset after Bitcoin and Ethereum. According to the statement, the SEC is now interested in Ethereum, and the Ripple case is coming to a conclusion. It ends at a turning point in the regulatory landscape, with the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) directing its attention to Ethereum at the same time that the Ripple case is getting closer to its resolution. Considering that this shift in regulatory focus has the potential to impact both Ethereum and XRP Ripple's legal status as well as the dynamics of the market moving ahead, it has important ramifications for both of these cryptocurrencies. A positive verdict could provide much-needed regulatory certainty for XRP Ripple, which is reflected in Lord Vendetta's remark that XRP will be the only alternative with clarity. This assertion is reflective of the likely outcome of the Ripple case. The confidence of investors and the stability of the market are both dependent on this clarity. In light of the regulatory difficulties that surround other alternative cryptocurrencies, XRP Ripple is being positioned as a more secure investment option. Additionally, the assertion that XRP will regain the second-place position is indicative of a constructive perspective for the market position of XRP Ripple. The xrp+ripple cryptocurrency has the potential to regain its former position as the second-largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, overtaking Ethereum in the process. This would be possible if regulatory certainty and investor confidence were to be restored. However, in the midst of all the legal troubles, within the realm of cryptocurrencies, Ripple is the one that everyone is paying attention to. At what cost? I will not dispute it. Just like you, I can't wait to get my hands on some numbers and start analyzing them. Furthermore, I must inform you that the expansion that is anticipated to occur in the near future is nothing short of amazing. Believe me, you won't want to miss out on what's going to happen in the next few moments. The next thing that is going to happen will blow your mind, so make sure you stay tuned. XRP stands out as a light of possibility and excitement in the landscape of cryptocurrency, which is constantly shifting towards new developments. Recent research, such as that which was carried out by the seasoned trader Steve Courtney, illustrates that. Elucidate patterns that indicate large price changes in XRP and put light on those patterns. As enthusiasts and investors eagerly anticipate the next stage in XRP's journey, it is essential to conduct a more in-depth investigation of the dynamics that are now at play and the implications that these dynamics hold for the market as a whole. In recent times, the price of XRP has been seeing some quite remarkable fluctuations. The cryptocurrency witnessed a dramatic pullback after it surged to a high of 74 cents on March 11th. This retracement was a reflection of the broader market downturn that was prompted by Bitcoin's collapse below the $65,000 barrier. To be sure, as a result of the volatility, analysts such as Steve Courtney continue to have a positive outlook regarding the future of XRP. They point to encouraging indicators that indicate the possibility of a breakout. Courtney's study draws attention to the construction of a symmetrical triangle, which is a pattern that is reminiscent of the historical performance of XRP previous to its colossal spike in 2017. The formation of this symmetrical triangle, which is defined by lower highs and higher lows, indicates that there will be a period of consolidation which will establish the conditions for a possible breakout to the upside. There is more to the significance of this pattern than just the fact that it has a historical precedence. Besides that, in the broader context of the sentiment of the market and the advances in regulatory policies. Given the growing regulatory scrutiny and uncertainty that the cryptocurrency industry is currently facing,